There you go. But I'm just making money. Great. Great. Hi, I'm Alex. In 8 years of learning to trade, I've learned one thing. It's not the complexity of trading itself, but the way it's presented. Beginners often find it difficult, not because of the complexity of the market, but because many people explain it in too complicated way. I've tried to change that, and in this video you will see what approach you can use to start familiarizing yourself with the market, step by step, without overload, without pressure, and with examples on the screen. Let me now show a couple of techniques in practice. Okay, Euro and Australian dollars is the first one. Amount, let's go with half of it. I would say, yeah, 65. It's not the accurate half of it, but like, you get it, right? So, what I want to do, guys, I would like to open a long trade because there is still some room. There we go. There is still some room to go according to the Williams, and there was a sharp buy up from the lower zone, and we can see this. I mean, the buy up from the lower zone. You can see that from the long tail of the green candle, and that one, that tail, or you can call it shadow, most of the times indicates for growth. So first bet is done. Satisfied with the profit, everything is great. I'm feeling like good. I believe so. Yeah, everything is good from our point of view, to be honest. Going to another currency pair, which is Canadian, not Canadian. Yeah, it's Canadian dollars and Japanese. Yes, I'm sorry. What do we have here? Let's make it 90 here. Could go. I could have done 99 as well, though. So 112 is going to be a support level for this currency pair, and I'm going for long since the price started to bounce. Plus, overall, the parabolic SAR and the subtrend they're showing the uptrend. Honestly, I mean this was the pullback within the main uptrend, and as later also shows there is some room. There is some more room to rise. $282 right now I do have on my balance. Let's go with 130. There we go. Now I'm gonna go for long again because I mean we are bouncing off from the support level again, and we just, you know, we just found a support zone and we're just moving up from it, and you can see that we just had a little bit of a sideways movement, and Williams also gives us a signal for growth. So combining all these moments, we decide and come to the conclusion that we gotta be going for long. Easy? Yes, it is. Oh. Should I get a new haircut though? By the way, you know what I think about? I think about like growing my whole hair. I don't know. I just want to make very messy and bushy hair. I don't know. We'll see. I tell that every time. I tell that to myself like every time, and I just go and get a new haircut. I don't know. Like I'm trying to stay fresh, you know. Here we go. Another one. Good. Nice. Oh yeah. Before we go any further, I want to draw your attention to something. Since you are watching this video, you are probably looking for new approaches to broaden your horizons and try something new. I invite you to join my community of traders at the link in the comments. You know, during this time I've been working in the markets, I've not only accumulated experience, but also an environment where everyone can learn at their own pace through dialogue and just observation. You know, one of the community members, Valerio, wrote the following. So he's saying, I was a newcomer, the format was relaxed and the breakdowns easy to understand, and it helped me feel more confident with the subject matter. Internally, I trade live on a daily basis. We discuss market situations, share decisions, making logic, and dissect how to think rather than guess. No pressure and supportive at your pace. So, are you ready for that, guys? If this path resonates with you, follow the link in the attached comment and join. So, let's get started. We will now continue the analysis of one of the strategies on the screen. Okay, moving to another currency pair here. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Here's the rectangle. Guys, we are reaching the overbought zone and the billions. So I guess I'm gonna try to open a short trade in the advance. I also expect a bounce down from the public SAR lines. Yeah, 160 going for short. And you can see that we're kind of having, not really sideways, but a look-alike we do have here. So we can see that it was very hard for the candles to get out of this box, out of this rectangle. And based on that, I believe that the candles will not really be able to just get out of the box, and they're gonna be like pulling back to the short. That is another thing. Why am I going short? Oh my god, my hands are so sweaty. Like I got sweat on my keyboard, literally. You know, guys, that's I'm not into very much emotions, but anyway, I will not win, and I got some emotions right there as well. Like I'm getting some anxiety. There you go. There you go. I mean, I can control it, but you know, my body, it just, you know, it doesn't really understand that I'm trying to control it, and it's just sweating. Okay, guys, now you can see that like the price settled above the support at, let me change the amount to 190. Yep, the price settled above the support at 0.99900, and it's just moving up, and it's not being pushed lower. So we'll try long trade. So we try going long, and according to the Williams, we still have some room to grow. But I'm just making money, you know. I'm not saying random things. I'm not like them. All right, Australian Canadian dollars right here, right where we are. I mean, first of all, let me change it to 230, and you can see that we're going for long, and the price is breaking out of the side. Oh my god, I'm sorry, guys. I am sorry. Please. Yeah, the price is breaking out of the sideways movement and pushing through the Bollinger Bands to this upside. Yeah, and I'm probably sorry giving me signal to grow, as well as the whole, I mean, this situation. If you take a look at the tails of the candles, you can see that. But there's a thing which is called Williams, and we gotta be very much careful about that, because it shows that we are already in the overbought zone. So I don't know, I still believe that we're gonna win it, but you can see that that long head of the candle means and shows that overbought zone. Please stay there for 5 more seconds. Oh mama, no, mamma mia. Great. I got a couple of seconds more and we could have lost it. Honestly, we would have lost it. So I've just made $935 from $140, which is quite satisfying for me personally, really. So sorry for the shaking the camera. That was an accident. I hit it with my foot. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to leave a like and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel. And the link for the Telegram community is going to be in the description below as well. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Think about the surprise that I'm going to be showing you. In this video, I will show you how I withdraw the money, withdraw the funds from Pocket Option. So here I'm choosing USDT TRC20 amount. Let's make it 1,500 and address. Here we go, Bybit. Here we go. You're choosing the coin, which is a stable coin, USDT. Here we go. Choosing the chain. TRC. No, what was it? Result? Copying the address. Pasting here. Clicking on continue. Pin code. Okay. There you go. And I will receive my funds within a few business days. Basically, very frequently, very often, I'm receiving funds almost immediately.